Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the trash can in your Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to find the trash can in your Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, managing your teams and your projects in Basecamp, you know that sometimes you're going to accidentally delete the wrong project, so you want to find it in the trash can. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find the trash can in your Basecamp, up here on the top right, you're going to see this button, Admin Land. It's right below your profile icon. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the trash can logo in orange right here, and it says View Everything in the Trash. Click on there. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the items in your trash. They do let you know that the items are permanently erased after 25 days. So if you accidentally deleted something and put it in the trash more than 25 days ago, unfortunately that information is gone. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the trash can in your Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.